Start.
So, my name is Poshan Verma, and today we are going to learn about integration. So, integration is a fundamental concept in calculus where integration is a antiderivative of a derivative function. Like if we have a derivative function f dash which is a derivative of f of x with respect to dx. Okay, so the antiderivative of f dash x, it should be f of x plus c. And why c? C is because here the range is not defined. But if we have defined the range like a function a to b, okay, and f of x is a function, then its integration should be something g of x and this. Here c will not lie because the range is already defined. So if the range is defined, then it is called definite function, definite integral function. And if the range is not defined, then it is called indefinite integral function. In real world problem, integration is very important. Like if we are calculating area here, y is a function like this, and we have to calculate the area. So the area will be the region below it. For calculating this area, we are integrating area should be this, and the dx is a small portion that we have cut, and this is our y, which is f of x. Okay, and let us understand by solving some small problems. Like any function y is equal to x to the power n. Then what is the integration? Integration of f of x like this. So integration will be x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and what? Plus c, because here the range is not defined. Okay, likewise x to the power 2 का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? x की पावर 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c. Let us take a problem of definite integration. Same problem, like if the range varies from 1 to 2, what will be the integration? It will be integration of x square, x 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1, and the given range 1 to 2. So our integration will be x की power 3 upon 3 1 to 2. And now put the values. So this will be the solution for our definite integration. So here is a problem, like what will the integration of integral of 2x into e to the power x square into dx. So in this kind of problem, this is called like substitution problem. Like here we can substitute x square by t. So its differential will be 2x dx is equal to dt. Okay, and by putting this in this integral, dt e to the power t and 2 dx is equal to our dt. And here the integral of e to the power t is, as we know that it's already e to the power t, and due to it is indefinite, so plus c, and here t is a x square. So e की power x square plus c. This is the solution for our integral equation. Right. We have another problem like this. So in this type of problem, it is a integral type, integral by part kind of problem. Like integral of u dv is should be u v minus integral of u dash and integral of dv, which and whole integral. So similar for this will be the first function here and this will be the second, but for this we have to choose and it's a kind of principle like I use islet. So I define the inverse function. If there is any inverse function, then the priority should be given to inverse function, then after logarithmic function, then algebraic function, after that trigonometric function, then exponential function. Okay, then the second will be the according to this. Okay, so for solving this problem, so our first function will be algebraic function, after that trigonometric function. So the solution, integration of now first function into integral of second function minus in whole integral differentiation of first function, differentiation of x will be 1 and integral of cos x dx. So x integral of cos x will be sin x and here cos x again sin x. Now x sin x and integral of sin x will be minus cos x. So minus cos x plus c and it will be x sin x plus cos x plus c. We have another problem here. In this type of problem, we have to substitute here like x. So we have to substitute x so that whole function will convert in the another function, and then we can solve it easily. So in this type of problem, basically we have to do that. We have to change that x square into some trigonometric function. Like here, what we can put in place of x so that it will be easier for us. Like if we put here x is equal to sin x, okay, then the whole function will become x is equal to sin theta. Okay. So differentiation of sin theta will be cos theta into d theta. Okay, and this will become 1 minus x square. So 1 minus sin square theta. So it will be root cos square theta. So cos theta. Okay. Now putting this value on this equation, so we will got 1. This will become cos theta, and in case of dx, we have already calculated cos theta into d theta. So here we got d theta. Okay, if it is not visible, I have to rub this like integral d theta. Okay, so answer will be theta plus c. And what was our theta? X is equal to sin theta. So theta will be sin inverse x. So our solution will become like this, sin inverse x plus this c because of indefinite. Okay, I hope this video will give you a brief indication and knowledge about integration. That's